You know, Alexa didn't wake me up this morning.
Of course you wake you up. Wala, it's really bad, ma'am. So, ang tanong ko sa inyo, kung ano ba sa inyo guys yung, kayo ba ang magbabayad dahil kayo ang ano lang talaga yung, never in my imagination na,
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning guys. It's snowing outside. Good morning sa inyong lahat. As in, oh my god, late kaming nagising guys. But anyway, but hindi nag-ano itong ano ko, yung hindi gumagana itong ano ko. Anyway, so yeah, late ako nagising at saka yung biyanan ko late din, pinupukaw ko siya. I woke her up and then I just kind of like give her coffee, just her morning thing and bread. And then it's snowing outside. Hopefully we can drive in the snow because it's snowing and it's early, no one plowing the road. So snowy pa. So sana makalabas tayo dito at sana lalabas na yung biyanan ko guys. Kasi oh my god. Is it built, ma'am?
Yeah. And at the rate we're going, doesn't seem like it's going to stop, though. The sky looks very, very bad. You know, Alexa didn't wake me up this morning.
Of course you wake you up. Wala, it's really bad, ma'am. The road is not plowed.
Yeah. Well, then let's call them. Don't take a chance.
The road is not plowed, so.
Because it looks really bad.
Yeah. You just have to call them, okay?
Yeah. We'll have to call them and tell
Because
them.
look, I can feel the car.
Yeah. Tell them we can't get out of our driveway.
Anyway, bumalik kami guys kasi slushy pala siya eh. Slushy yung daan at saka nafe-feel ko yung sasakyan na ano, so hindi na kami tumuloy sa delikado. Hindi pa naman ako sanay sa mga maraming talaga pang snow sa daan. Slushy siya, so tawagan na lang niya yung dialysis. Natutulog muna ako guys. Balik muna ako matulog kasi gusto ko pa talaga matulog. Sleepy pa ako, so tulog. Toxic coming in, Misty. Oh, you guys, it's snowy. You bring icy. Yes, you did. They called me 3:15. We need to leave here 3 o'clock. We need to be there at 3 o'clock. We need to be there 3. I can't find my laptop charger now. Nag-edit ako ng video at saka nagcha-charge lang ako. And then, my little bug is right here. My little bug is right here. My little man. The bug. And Rox is right here. Come here, Rox. Come. Ito. So good girl, mama. Ito. Ito siyang Mama's little princess. She get punished last night with doing the business because I know she cannot. Tammy said, you know what, she cannot control it. She usually doesn't do it. So I guess maybe because, you know, she can't control it. So that's why she did it. But I did punish her. Anyway, not like punish her, like hurt her. I just like she get yelled and she doesn't like to be yelled at. And she went to the garage door area. Nosy cat. Nosy. Have the bag. So she went to the garage door area, that area there. She lie down and then she was shaking, guys, like crazy. So now she kind of like want to say sorry to me the whole night. And last night after that, when I hugged her, she looked at me like sad. And now she kind of like wanna be with me. That's why she's with me. She want to be with me, and she doesn't like that I don't like what she's doing. And she get punished. Once she's shaking, that means she really is like nervous. And I don't punish them, like hurt them. It's just she get yelled and she doesn't like it, like yelled serious. And she doesn't like it, and that's why she is with me the whole morning. This morning, she begged me for love. She want to be with me, so that's why she's up here. I love her to death. She's my baby girl. I love her. I don't even cut her hair, guys, because you know, I don't know, I just don't. Siya. Lonely lang talaga siya, guys. Hindi siya ngayon alive na alive. Lonely table just for one lonely table. La 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 la. You're so unhappy. Smile, baby. Smile. Smile, my love. Smile, my love. Gosh. Your paw need to be cut. Yes, I need to cut your paw, my love. Yes, Josh. And Tosh. I love her to death. I love her so much. I love her so much. I don't know, guys. I can't imagine I love a dog like this. Like I don't know. Finally, guys, we're gonna get out. Snow just melt.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go. Tapos na. Dinadrop ko lang yung biyanan ko. And then, nilagay ko lang din kayo sa mount. Alam nyo naman, kapag vlogging is always there. And, yeah. So, dinadrop ko lang yung biyanan ko. Bote na lang, nakatulog kaming dalawa, guys. Oy, ginoo ko. 6 o'clock, kukunin ko na siya kasi alam na. Tapos na, wala ng snow. Andi nag-melt siya. Monday ngayon, supposedly, diba, asawa ko andito, punta siya dito. Pero, hindi siya pupunta dito this week. Kasi, unahin niya yung dapat niyang gawin. Kasi marami siyang dapat gawin eh. Yung mga papel na dapat unahin, mga importante. And also, kailangan niyang mag-impake doon. Not impake, like put things together para madala dito. So, kung ano man yung mga dapat niyang dalhin at saka itatapon. Alam ko namang hindi yan itatapon ng asawa ko, yung mga dapat itapon. Yan talaga mahirap sa asawa ko. Walang basura, puro kahit basura, pa rin. Kaloka. Oh, itanong ko ito sa inyo, ha. Itanong ko sa inyo. Kasi sasagutin ko rin itong tanong ko. Kapag may mag-imbita sa'yo, nakuha ko ito sa talk show. Gusto ko lang din malaman sa inyo kung ano. Yeah, kahit mahirap tayo, 'di ba? Kahit hindi naman long, for example, meron kayong shoota or family or crush na niyaya mong kumakain sa labas, ganyan. Pero hindi naman lahat. Kung meron kang pera, 'di ba? Punta ka sa mga mamahaling restaurant. Pero kung mga katulad nating mga Pilipino na lang mahirap, hindi naman tayo lahat mahirap Pilipino, no? Katulad ko na mahirap. So, ang tanong ko sa inyo, kung ano ba sa inyo, guys, yung kayo ba ang magbabayad dahil kayo ang nagyaya? Yun lang talaga. Kung kayo ang nagyaya, kayo din ang ano, agree ba kayo dun? Kayo din ang magbabayad dahil kayo ang nagyaya. Yun lang naman talaga yung tanong. Wala naman talagang iba. Diba kung nagyaya ka, niya, gusto kang kain sa labas, niya, wala kang pira, so diba, punod ka lang sa ano, kanto-kanto, yung mga street food, mga barbecue, diba? Mga masasarap yun, diba? Mga barbecue, ganyan. And so yun. So ako guys, kung ako yung tatanungin ninyo, oo, kung ako ang nagyaya, ako ang magbabayad. Pero depende yan sa tao din, guys. Kasi 'di ba may mga taong niyayaya mo at saka gentleman sila yung magbabayad. Yung may mga ganyan eh. May mga lalaki or babae or kahit sino man, babae or ano man, wala akong nakitang tao noon na very gentleman except Tami. Honestly, hindi ako nag-ano dahil asawa ko siya. Honestly, kasi kahit noon kayong hindi pa kami mag-asawa, may mga family, ganyan, mga pamilya niya, mga kaibigan, okay? Doon ko talaga na si Tami kahit maghirap yan. Punta kami, lalabas kami, kakain. Dami guys, madami. Mga kaibigan, mga family. Kumakain kami breakfast. Doon, breakfast, dami, diba? Dami, ilang table, mga 6 tables yun. Yun, alam nyo si Tami, ang mga cousin niya, mga doktor, mga nice yung nice yung mga trabaho compare sa asawa ko, mga doktor, yung mga cousin niya, diba, ganyan. So may mga pira, sila yung magbabayad, ganyan. Pero yung asawa ko very ano siya, yung hindi wala ko nang hinambo guys sa ano lang talaga, yung never in my imagination na makakita ako ng lalaking taong ganito, lalaki or babae, mga taong ganito. As in, yung asawa ko lang talaga yung nakikita ko na ganun, na siya talaga magbabayad. As in, hindi naman niya sabihin na ako nabayad, ibigay niyo sa akin yung hindi siya ganun. Alam niyo anong sikreto niya? Punta lang siya sa counter, sa cashier, binayaran niya, sikreto, ipinatotal niya lahat. Yun, at saka masyak na lang yung lahat, magbabayad sa labas na, magbabayad na. Yun, nasyak na lang kaming lahat na binayaran. Palagi niyan guys, hindi lang one time. Mga kaibigan niya, you know, mga maglalabas kami, ganyan, noon. Kasi hindi pa ako nag-vlog noon, grabe yung namin, yung tawag nito, experience. Yung mga kain sa labas, ganyan. It's unbelievable, this time should be together. It's undesirable.
What?
Wish you used to see that I'm for never. What? The business you need to know. This person behind me is kissing my ass. So how's my ass looks like? Girl and boy. How's my ass look like? For the first time, I'm looking in your eyes.
For the first time, I see who you are. I can't believe how much I see when you're looking back at me. Now I understand why
Itong mga asong to, masaya palagi kapag nakikita sa ko. Ba't masaya kayo palagi, bebay? Ba't masaya yung bebay? Mag-ano muna ako, guys. Masaya man ang mga baby ni mama, oy. Anyway, guys, init na dito sa loob. Hi, guys. I forgot pala i-end itong video. Ito. Before ko ito i-end itong video na to, guys, isa-shout out ko lang yung nag-comment sa today's video. So, video kahapon, yung video kahapon, so yun, isa-shoutout ko lang yung nagko-comment doon. And yes, yun lang, ito lang yung i-ano ko, guys. Sino ba yung nagko-comment dito? Isa-shoutout ko kayo, ha, yung nagko-comment. Charles and Katie May, hi. Patrick Tria, which is always watching my video, hi Patrick. Susani Villaver, Jocelyn Danlag, at saka sino pa? Luningning Santa Cruz, at saka si Garnet Ugois, si Florisca Z, at saka si Ana Angeles, hi. At saka ang ganda ni Ana, ano? Hi Ana, ganda. Aloha Liza Lugnasin, ganda din, matangos ilong. Hi sa inyo. Mitch and Pat, at saka si Grace Rubilin Trinidad, Ivony Silquill, Ariliano Shikera, Ann, April Ann Dominguez, Scarlett Cruz, Dong Yinao, at saka si na Gilbert Inot, at saka si Minimi, hi din kay May Garcia, cookingfood.com, at saka si Herbs Dorian. Yes, salamat sa inyo guys sa pag-comment early. And then Josefina Aligato Pumarada, Jonaline Villanueva, matagal na si Jonaline sa akin sa channel na to. Sherry James, at saka si Jane Dean, Margie Acaso, at saka si Esther, Robert Vigna, Nelsie Visagre, Easy Hopeless, at saka si Safia Biti, si Kano Kitty. Ang salamat guys sa pag-comment early, at saka sa pag-like, at saka panonood ng video ko early guys. Thank you guys so much for supporting also sa mga mukbang ko. At saka meron pa ako mga imumukbang. Nakabili ako guys ng malaking shrimp. Hindi naman siya malaki. Yung kalakihang shrimp sa grocery na malapit dito sa amin. But anyway, imumukbang ko yan bukas. Pero hindi siya ma-upload bukas. Ibang video ang ma-upload bukas. But anyway, thank you so much. At saka, yes, my birthday is past already. That video will be up few days later. May mga 3 days, probably 2 days from now, maano na siya or bukas. Hindi ko alam. Basta ma-upload siya. Thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate. Malapit na tayong mag 9,000. And yeah, so yeah, hindi ko ma-imagine na magka 9,000 at aabot pa tayo ng 10,000, diba? Diba? As in, kahit na naba na ako dito sa mukbang, guys. Masarap kasi, guys. At saka, I like watching mukbang and I enjoy you guys watch. At saka, nag-enjoy ako na nag-enjoy din kayo sa panonood ng mga mukbang ko. Thank you guys. May eye bag na ako guys dahil hindi na ako natutulog. Anyway guys, thank you. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit the like button guys if you do like this video. And even though short lang siya, thank you. Bye-bye. Bye. Katin ang ilong ko. Bye.